Can this Amazon LED headlight really make a difference when riding at night? Well, let's get it installed and find out. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. We got a 2016 Harley Dyna here, and I'm going to change out the stock headlight bulb with this one here. This company, Wisamic, sent this to me in exchange for a quick little unboxing and install video, and we're also going to do a comparison and show what this looks like at night. It should be a real easy install and should make a huge difference. So let's just open this up. Comes with instructions. This is the 5 3/4 inch version. This is the Halo version as well. They also have a non-Halo version. Let's go install it. So we're just gonna pull this quarter fairing off, get that out of the way. And all you need is just a little Phillips screwdriver. And there's a little nut here. Sometimes you can just hold that with your finger and prevent it from spinning, but we're just gonna loosen this and take off the ring. See the little nut just kind of popped out. Take off the ring. And then we just take out the stock bulb and unplug it here in the back. All right, now it's a little bit different, but all we have to do is just plug this right back in to this fitting here. And I wanted to show you, see, it doesn't fully seat. Some people put electrical tape on there. I'm not worried about that. It's sealed in here well enough. All we need to do now is just line this up and push it back in. Now, the way we line this up, you can see this little tab right here on the light. That fits right in here, this little slot inside the light housing. And it's a little tricky with the wiring. You might have to just kind of lift the harness up over the little mounting tabs there, little mounting bolts, to get that to fit in there, so that that's straight up and down. There we go. So you just got to make sure that you clock that so that the tab fits into the slot there, like so. And you know what, I'll just pull this off now, and then we'll put the ring back on. Really helps to have two hands here. Now once you get that started, you can kind of center it if you need to, and just make that nice and snug. That looks good. Easy install. All right, let's turn it on real quick. Oh, that looks awesome. That halo looks really cool. Well, I'm happy with how that looks. There it is with the brights, and then back to normal. Excited to get this on the road and see what it looks like. All right, let's get that quarter fairing back on, and then we'll take this for a ride as soon as it gets dark. There it is with the fairing on. That halo, that is such a cool effect, and it just looks really good. And there it is. Quick little side-by-side comparison for you so you can see the difference. Obviously a huge difference. I mean, night and day, literally the difference of the stock headlight. Very happy with how that looks. Just very happy with the pattern on the ground. Very visible to other drivers as well. Looks great. Very, very happy with that. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same light as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.